আজি পিছৰ লাষ্ট সবচে পোলা খবৰটি DC Kohima to Kohima Municipal Ward and Village under Kohima District Kunpa Organization Khanbra shoot at site stray dog Bahar Laga Kuta Khan Murai Dibole circulate Kritaka notice pagina Inika notification to Li District under Hobole Naparbo Koina Jonai Diase DC Authority concerned citizen Khan Sobke Koi Diaseki Inika action to Li violation of provision of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Act 1960 aro Bharatiya Naya Sanhita against Kurase Itukani Janwar Muraidia aro Bahar Kuta Muraidia Khantuli law under illegal Hobokoidia Asem DC Authority individual organization Naholepi Association Khan Inika activity kam krubole strictly manakuri diase Itukani Judi stray dog urban area te particularly Municipal Ward Council authorities khan ke report digina rural area te particularly village authorities khan ke report digina procedure hisabti veterinary office khan bra take care kurobo aro judi violate ho jashikuli provision of law act hisabti legal action uthabo khogina Kohima DC order kuri dia ase Nagaland State Dimapur District New Year din bra logina jak ali takti 3 din continuously alag polinite ju hatsa ulagena family bishibra duk digdar face kurgena ja thaka ami khan witness kurbo pare ase January 1st tarik bra half nagarjan Dimaputi 4-5 gor cholai digina January 2nd tarik Nahabari Ward number 80 nearly 300 gor cholai disha aro jakali January 3rd din Lomthi Colony Dimaputi 12 houses cholai digena itusal New Year din bra fire incident mark kri thaka dekhibo pare ase aro jakali jui hatsati LPG cylinder tinta phutise hulepi isor moromte kunpi jokhum pa nai koina report pai loi ase aro firefighters khan khanda upor loigena tuita truck West Fire Station aro tuita truck Central Fire Station bra matigena mutai diseko ase aro cholai da gor khantuli ita gor Assam type aro bira gor inika milagina 12 family affected pridishe Manipur state unrest situation logina ja thaka ja kalipi security forces aro protesters of Kangkopi district stand off issue ulagena hamla kridisha aro stand off issue ti mati kanpi milagena manubishi jokhum kudisha ko ase aro protesters mota ekjon critical condition ti jokhum kudisha koina Manipur state fresh violence update palu ase video surface social media te circulate kuri thaka pa sabti armed migrant khan heavy arms logina uniform like attire khara kurgina chilai ase aro sources ti superintendent of police Kangkopi pi jokhum krida confirm ridigena hamla dangor ulai jashiko ase ja kali laga hamla tuli region ti unrest fresh violence hatsa ulai thakya karni protesters khanbra national highway block ridigena transport and communication disturb kri thakya karni chamla hojagena authorities order digena situation thanda kri dishiko ase aro jakali Delhi International Airport bra Manipur youth dujon age group of 19 jada Saudi Arabia bra aha 1.8 kg of gold pukhiena thakya paija karni 1.34 crore of rupees dam laga seize kudigena detail investigation chuli thakya custom department report dia ase khobor tello to blind ase koi thakya nishna Karnataka police khantu Deputy Superintendent of Police DYSP Ram Chandrapa Kun Madugri Sub-Division Tumkur posted Kurdigena Thakya Office Washroom Pitote Office te campaign Kubole Aha Maki Logena Thakya Video Circulate Kridia Karni Suspended Kridishakoina Report Pailu Asem Sources by Sabti Victim Maki Aro Kunpa Family Khandan Deputy SP Laga office ponchigina land dispute complaint karni aha tu washroom loi jaigena bia kam krubole kushish kri thaksha aro family khan bra tu window side bra 35-second video loigena SP2 uniform ti recorded pai ase itu karni social media ti viral kurasat Karnataka Director General of Police DGP bra suspended order issue kridi shiko ase itu video circulate kurasat deputy SP missing ho ja sholipi department side bra toli official statement issue kri dia nai aro victim makibrapi formal campaign uthai dia nai ko ase aro victim maki opor questioning kura tamti allegation video dine krigena tai officer laga blessing loi thakshe koi digena statement kri di sholipi kunpa family bra tu video loigena clear picture circulate kri thakya dekhibo pare ase pensioners khan karni ekta bal khobor ani thakya tu employees provident fund organization EPFO centralized pension payment system itatuli across country full operation surku dishokoina labor and employment minister Dr. Manshak Madiava jonai dia ase itu modern system ti ita pensioners khan tu across country ki laga bank bra ulipi pension claim krubole parwa aro physical verification kri thakya process hatai logina pension process asani bra kri lobole parbo koi dia ase khobote former union home secretary Ajit Kumar ja kalibra governor of Manipur Henavur Kulobole Raj Bhawan Imphal ti oath ceremony rakhiloise report oath ceremony toli Chief Justice of Manipur High Court D Krishna Kumar rakhidisha aro Mr. Ajoy Kumar tu Lakshman Prasad Acharya July moina tak governor in charge kuri aha succeed kuri loise koina report dia ase